How to check QQQ ETF historical data completely for free.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more. Presets and effects for life, click the link down below and enjoy the tutorial.
Again, it's the same thing, self-explanatory. Stockanalysis.com, you click on the third tab which says dividends, and you get access to their dividend history completely for free. You can see that the dividends has been growing, or the growth, and then there are just two different charts. The next website is stockscan.io. You can type in QQQ on this search ticker symbol right here on the search bar, and then you can click and scroll down, and you can click on the last tab which says dividend history, stock splits, etc. But in this case, we want the dividend history. It says the annual dividend is $2.70 if you own one, which is $483 at this point.